Okay, so we have 39 seconds left.
I know it goes so quick,
So,
Akil.
okay. So, one consent. I'm uploading this video on YouTube. What do you think?
That's okay now because you've asked. I didn't know. I didn't know people were allowed to. It's fine. It's just obviously, yeah. I just want to make sure you're comfortable. As long as you're comfortable, I'm happy.
So, okay. So it is. I can upload, right?
That's okay. Not a
Okay.
problem.
Thank you. Because
All right.
I saw your message that time. That is why I'm
Okay.
asking this
I
thing.
was just shocked. I was just shocked. It's cool. Lovely seeing you.
Hello.
Hey, hey, yeah. How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
Good. I'm all right. Lovely to see you.
Yeah. Yeah. Same here.
Good. All right. So, I just got your message. I just saw your message now. So you want to do the would, could, or should? Yes.
Ah. Yes. Yes. Sometime I stuck on it. So I just want to clear this whole thing.
Yeah. Cool. All right. So, let's start with would then. Okay. Um.
Uh,
Yeah. What's your explanation of them at the moment? Explain what you think they are, and then we can go through them.
yeah. It's just like I would play cricket very well, but that time was raining. So so I can't play. Is it right?
Okay. Yeah. How did you use would then? How did you use would in that? Because it's like the past. So let me. This
Oh,
is this is a definition via Google, and then I'm going to explain it for you.
okay.
Okay, so we would use would as the past of will. So it's for saying I will do this, I would do this. So to
Mm.
describe past beliefs about the future. So I thought we
Mm.
would be late, so we would have to take the train.
We would have to take the train. It seems we are talking about the past. Ah.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay. Okay. Yes.
So it refers to expressing like future tense.
Oh. Would
Yeah.
is just like a past, and will is a future, right?
Yes. Yes. Correct.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah. Let's make sure we understand each one before we go on. So
I.
I would like to go for a
Mm,
walk today.
okay. It means you want to go for your work today,
Yes.
but you wish, right?
Same. Yeah.
Yeah. So should I make a one sentence on it?
Yes, please, if you can.
Yeah. Yeah. So I would like to take tea because there is a tea, there is a soft drink, there is a cold drink. So I would like to take tea.
Yeah. I would like to have tea. I would like to have tea.
Oh, I would like to have a tea.
Have tea. You wouldn't say
Okay.
I would like to take tea. I would like to have a tea.
Okay.
Yeah, because you're taking something instead of asking for it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But that was good. Yeah, you got it.
Yes.
Good. All right.
Sometime I stuck on it. Sometime, you know, because of less of using of these words. I think.
Yeah. Okay. It's don't overthink it too much because would.
Ah, okay. So we can
Yeah.
say we have a cloud. So we can say like it it would be rain today because too much cloudy. We are seeing here in the sky. It's too much cloudy, so it would be rain today. Is it
Yes, you can
correct?
say it is very cloudy here today.
Mm-hmm.
So it could rain.
Oh, it could rain.
Could.
Why
So
not be?
could is this one. So could we use could to show that something is possible but not certain.
Okay.
So they could come by car. Maybe they will come by car, but
Okay.
it could rain. You wouldn't
Why
say
not
it would.
be?
Which one?
Be. It could be.
It could be
Yeah.
raining. It could be
Oh,
raining today.
oh. It means something will be in continue that we have to use be.
Yes.
Okay. It could rain today because too much cloudy here. Right.
Yes. So it could rain today
Yes.
because it is very cloudy here.
Yeah. Same here. Now weather is perfect.
Yeah.
Weather is weather is changed. We are not facing too much hot. Now it's cloudy. Last day we got rain. Is it right sentence? Last day we got rain.
So yesterday,
Oh, yesterday.
you can say the last few days, like here, we've had so much rain. In the last 3 days, we've had a lot of rain.
Okay,
So
so we can say I can say like yesterday we got rain.
yeah,
Is it
yesterday
right?
we had rain
Oh, we had rain.
because it's gone. Yesterday was yesterday.
Okay,
That makes
it's missed
sense.
out. Uh,
Yeah, it's gone. So yesterday we had rain.
mhm.
Today we might have rain.
Today it might. Sorry, what today?
So yesterday we had rain.
Hmm? Yes,
Today we might have rain.
it means some there is a something chance, right? There is some
Yes.
chances. Okay. Yes. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And should. So should is used to say something that is a proper or best thing today. So I should go to
Hmm.
the immigration today to do my visa,
Oh.
which I'm going to do.
Okay. Okay. So we can say also like we should talk 15 minutes to improve our English.
Yes. Brilliant. Okay. So go through those three for me, Akil. If you read those out. So would first.
One second. We use would as the past of will to describe past beliefs about the future. I thought we we would be late, so we would have to take the train. Okay, now it's
Yeah.
good. We use could to show that something is possible but not certain. They could come by car. Maybe they will come by car. Okay, yeah,
Yes.
it's example maybe. Right,
Yes.
good. That's very good. Should is used to say that something is the proper or best thing to do, or not say that someone ought to go something or must do something. Adam could visit us on Monday. This tell us that it is possible Adam will visit on Monday. Maybe he can visit us, but maybe he has other option too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he
Hmm.
should. He should come and see us, but he might not.
Ah, yes, 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 yes. Is when we use will, it means 100%, right?
Yes, I will. I will go to the immigration on lunchtime.
Yeah, yes, yes. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Perfect. All makes sense then. Good. So I want you to give me some examples now then. So use would first, and I want you to type it out as well. Okay.
Okay,
Think of an example, what you can use would, and then type it out so I can see it.
okay. I have to type, right? I made some mistake.
Okay. I'm just
Mistake is like, but now I have to. Now I have to.
yeah. Okay. I'm just going to reword it then. So I would. So always put a capital letter as well. I always has to be a capital. Okay. And
Okay,
when the I is on its own, it's always got to be a capital. Okay.
okay, okay. Next time
I
I will.
would go to play cricket with my friends. Okay, remember we don't use the word but, we use however.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You are typing very speed.
Yeah, you'll
Typing
get
is
here,
good.
Akil. I'll go to play cricket with my friends. Let's play. My friends, I now have to go to work instead, as I have an important and necessary. Okay, yeah, totally reworded this one. Okay, I will go to play cricket with my friends. I now have to go to work instead, as I have an important and necessary task. Okay, okay,
Oh,
see that?
I would go to play cricket with my friends. However, I now have to. I think, however, now I have
Hold on, hold on. I would like to
to go to
go.
the play cricket with my friends. However, now I have to go to work instead of have an important and necessary task. Yes,
There. So I would
I
like
would
to go
like.
and play. Yeah.
However, I now. Is it right? I would like to go and play cricket with my friends. However, I now or now I have. I think now will be first before I.
You could either or, okay? Because it means the same thing.
Oh, it means same thing. Then
It means the
no
same
problem,
thing.
right?
Yeah. So
Okay, so
that's how you do that.
okay.
If you
However,
feel more comfortable doing it the other way round, you can.
okay. So however, now I have to go to work instead, as I have an important and necessary task. Okay.
Yeah. Perfect.
Now I have. Okay, last one. Last one is according to me. Yes,
Yeah,
it's
that's
good.
what I mean. If you feel more comfortable saying that, that's better.
So both are good, right?
Both are fine, but it's how it comes out of your. So mine would be, however, now I now have to go to work instead. That makes more sense to me. But to you,
Okay.
however, now I have to go.
Okay, so we have 39 seconds left.
I know it goes so quick,
So
Akil.
okay. So one consent. I'm uploading this video on YouTube. What do you think?
That's okay now because you've asked. I didn't know. I didn't know people were allowed to. It's fine. It's just obviously, yeah. I just want to make sure you're comfortable. As long as you're comfortable, I'm happy.
So okay, so it is I can upload, right?
That's okay. Not a
Okay,
problem.
thank you. Because
All right.
I saw your message that time. That is why I'm
Okay.
asking this
I
thing.
was just shocked. I was just shocked. It's cool. Lovely seeing you again, darling.